the more engineering I do, so I started, my background starts as a process engineer on a glass coater, which is a giant vacuum machine that changes, we set fire to nothing, coloring your glass with the soot. Then I went in a shingle factory, which is like a completely different sort of problem. And now I've been doing a lot of integration sort of work stuff. And the more and more and more work I do, the more I realize that machines are like the easiest part of the problem. And using the word problem is kind of touchy because it's not really a problem, right? But it's all about how people interact with each other and how they interact with the machines and what people want. It's all about people, which sounds stupid and new agey in a lot of ways, but it really does seem to work out that way. More and more of the problems are simply coordinating what people actually want from what they think they want and from what they've seen people offer them and having them articulate what they actually need, which I guess is most of engineering. I mean, engineering is like, 70% specification and 30% doing stuff. The actual time you spend coding is a lot smaller than trying to figure out what to code. So that's a lot of what we do. And that's why we were talking earlier in my office, I have a couple of computer monitors open and a million Skype windows open. And yes, I'm doing some programming on some of those things and applications, but a lot of it is just talking to people and trying to figure out exactly how to get things work, which is the whole thing this morning about tech support. We have firewalls that aren't open, which means we have automated bureaucratic gnomes stopping us from getting our work done. And we're trying to get that fixed, but everyone's on vacation or in Europe, and it turns out to be a thing. So